Let's go. I'm in a whip with a body, looking like Sky Bree, she got a body, ayy. And she been calling me daddy lately, want me to put her in party J's. And the bitch deserve it, put in work for the money, she earn it. Give me top every night, lip service. I gotta block these hoes, she work on my
impressive
Abu
fights.
Dhabi, with a bad bitch look like Sky Bree, boom. Right beside me, the phantom off that Molly, yeah. Abu Dhabi, with a bad bitch look like Sky Bree, ooh. Right beside me, the phantom off that Molly, yeah. Abu Dhabi, with a bad bitch look like Sky Bree, ooh. Right beside me, the phantom off that Molly, yeah. Abu Dhabi, with a bad bitch look like Sky Bree, ooh.
Progressing martial arts is an endless journey.
That Molly, yeah. Shorty a dancer with her OnlyFans, got her bands up. She independent, got a land truck, don't need no man, but I'll man up for that. Ooh, put it on camera. She a freak, nothing I can't handle. When I'm pulling up in that phantom, I got a pussy wetter than Niagara. Bitch, I'm a dog, I'm off the leash. Ain't no one holding me back, I'm a beast. Showing them all, falling my teeth. None of them fucking with me in these streets. Ooh, Sky Bree hit me in my DM. I've been trying to meet up and see ya. I can fly you out to Abu Dhabi, with a bad bitch look like Sky Bree. Ooh, right beside me, in the phantom off that Molly, yeah. Abu Dhabi, with a bad bitch look like Sky Bree. Ooh, right beside me, in the phantom off that Molly, yeah. Abu Dhabi, with a bad bitch look like Sky Bree. Ooh, right beside me, in the phantom off that Molly, yeah. Abu Dhabi, with a bad bitch look like Sky Bree. Ooh, right beside me, in the phantom off that Molly, yeah.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it though. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions. They blocking your vision, but no, you can't listen. That shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're drilling.
There's no way that you make it, and maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it.
Where do you think you're
Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back?
Progressing in martial arts is an endless journey.
Fucking fight back.
You ain't gonna make it, you ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not, think a straight kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just faking. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds. Talking out loud so proud, you better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more speak out. It's about to head south.
Never gonna make it. There's no way that you make it, and maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fight back.
monster inside of me. You better watch out if your enemy's a road ahead of full prophecy. To be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bone clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me. He gets claws real big, gets off quick. And if you cross him, you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course, handling the sword, never getting bored. Loves the blood and gore. Wanting more, feeding from the source. They don't really understand until they feel the force of hard in. If you start shit, you'll be heartless in the darkness. Torn apart quick, you let scars break. You be chewed up and discarded.
And this world ain't right, don't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I was born. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate.
Freedom at hand. The dawn will finally come. Shut! Target in sight.
He's back! He's better than ever. I can feel my heart rate, adrenaline pressure. It's stormy weather, lightning, thunder, pouring weather. Yo, I'm a go-getter. Try to do it like me, but I do it better. I got a mind that's clever. The beast inside is competitive as ever. I'm conscious, but so conscious that accomplice to me. I promise the darkness, I can honestly.
One shot fired.
Cross me, I might lose control of the lost beast. He locked away inside with the key controlled by fight or flight.
And this world ain't right, don't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protected. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate.
Impressive fight!
Try me. I am your
My fate is to kill.
You know what loneliness is, Marco? I hope they won't be too surprised when seeing me.
I am your doom.
Progressing in martial arts is an endless journey.
All.
Who alive can't put me in a box. I redefine any definition of that. I am the tiger, I'm making steps to the top. The flames, I whip it up, you just gotta hand me the rock. Take a seat, you cannot stand it. All I know, the flow harder than a Scotch bunny. Don't try it better than me, you cannot manage. This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon. This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon.
Yeah, you better listen. I'm bringing heat, you'll be a fan when I start ripping away. I'll have your fucking head spinning. I'm known as spit bitches. Release bombs and go tick tick. Blow with that head miss. Phenomenon. Stacking cheese like it's Parmesan. 8 different flows, call me Octomom. I'm moving fast like the Autobahn. And I'm independent, so I'm not your fucking starving like it's Ramadan. Sick, twisted, gifted, can't copy. Progressing in martial arts is an endless journey. A gentle breeze is enough to shake the throne.
Persistent, spoken into existence, so consistent. what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon.
I'm not here just to win training tests.
Once there was a place called home.
Stellar students know the rules.
One more.
Try me.
As long as my mind is still.
The pointy ends of my spears warned us against me.
Thank God that the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. Let them boy busy see where I reside now. Put the time in while you always yelling time out. Quit it cause I know I'm coming with it. You was sitting, you were pushing, I was handling my business. Now I got the ball, you be part of playing Quidditch. You said you like it, so one thing that happened to now. Damn man, I'm all that, yeah I'm all that. Looking for that whip, yeah that what you call that. Blow up in the summer, have them yelling fall back. And I've always been ahead like a
is to kill.
Man, I came in the game like whoa. Got a couple chains on me cause I let go. They told me I'm the best and I told them I know. Cause when I'm in your town, every ticket I sold. Yeah, just saying I'm the man. Facts, bro. Lot of haters. Tell me where they at though. I'm the new pop, all I do is rap though. Want me on your song, throw a couple stats, yo. Woo! Everybody wanna do the same thing, yo. That's why we ain't on the same page. Do my own thing and I maintain. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah, I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.
You know what song this is, Cedric?
Going mainstream. Damn. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Woo! Going mainstream.
One shot fired, one ender down.
Nothing escapes my vision.
I was born a
Flow
warrior.
like water, so I'm going mainstream. Just saying I'm the man. Facts, bro.
I am
Lot of haters. Tell me where they at, though. I'm the new pop, all I do is rap, though. Want me on your song, throw a couple stats, yo. Everybody wanna do the same thing. That's why we ain't on the same page. Do my own thing, and I maintain. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah, I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.
I will slay them all.
I hope he wasn't too surprised when seeing me like this. See him, I am.
I will do all under my
Progressing in martial arts is an endless journey.
Once there was a place called home for me.
Enjoy the climb, enjoy the grind, You never really know what's on the other side till you give that shit a try. The limit is the sky, Make them take it back of what they said about you. Every time they doubt you, make that shit about you. Forget about the clout, yo. Fucking word of mouth, yo. Keep your head down, yo. Put it till you found, yo. Fight until you make it, yo. Taking on the second, yo. Put someone to break it. Take control and don't just take it. You can make it happen. You just gotta take some action. Take the ship and be the captain. Head on out and don't look back, yeah. I will always live my life till it's over. And I will not forget those who hold me down. And I will never give up, I'm moving forward.
I'm not here just to win training tests.
And I will never miss my chance, take it now. And I will always live my life. And I will never give those who hold me down.
No pain, no gain.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different, man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it though. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions. They blocking your vision, but no, you can't listen.
Impressive fight.